2022 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.